Okay, let's factorize 6x squared plus 5x minus 6. So we can see this is a case where the coefficient of x squared is greater than 1. Some people refer to this as the AC method. Alright, so what do we have here? 6x squared plus 5x minus 6. So if we were to take a look at the A, we have A in this case is 6, B in this case is 5, and C in this case is minus 6, which means AC, A multiplied by C, gives us minus 36. So what we want to do here is we want to take AC, which is minus 36. We want to find multiples of that which add to give us 5. Okay, positive 5. Okay, so we can go and start at minus 6 multiplied by 6. These are multiples because when we multiply them, we do get minus 36, but when we add these, we get 0. So that's not what we're looking for. In fact, what we could do then, though, is we could see that 9 and minus 4, though, these add to give me 5. They multiply to give me minus 36, so that's what I'm looking for. Okay? So here's the difference with this method. All we're going to do now is rewrite the middle term, right? Pay attention to this. That's the middle term. Okay? So then this becomes 6x squared. Okay? What we're going to do here now, we're going to say plus 9x minus 4x. 9 and 4. 9 and minus 4. We get them from here. Right? And we're going to go back to minus 6. So all we've done so far is we've rewritten 5x as 9x minus 4x, which is still 5x. So that's all we've done so far. All right? Now is when the party begins. Now we can take a look at these first two terms, and we can see we could factor the 3x from there. So 3x from 6x squared leaves me with 2x. 3x from 9x leaves me with a positive 3. Here I'm going to minus a 2 from these two terms. If I do that, what I'm left with here is 2x. And this then becomes plus 3. And you want to be careful here. This is a plus 3. And you might say, but wait a minute, this is negative. That's why this is plus. You see, because minus 2 multiplied by a positive 3 gives me a negative. See, if I put a negative here, then minus 2 multiplied by a minus 3 would have given me a positive, which is not what we want. And our final step from here then is going to be the factor the 2x plus 3 from both of these terms. See, here we have two terms. This is one term, and this is another term. And both of them contain 2x plus 3. So I can factor the 2x plus 3. And if I do that from the first term, I'm left with 3x. If I do it from the second term, I'm left with minus 2. And that's it. This right here is my answer. I have factorized 6x squared plus 5x minus 6 using what some people call the AC method. Okay? Other videos in this and other series are available. Like, share, and subscribe if you found the video helpful. If there's a topic you'd like to see us tackle, just let us know.